How to fix your connection is not private error on Google Chrome. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile on top right. Then click on your profile again. In here, scroll down till you find Manage Your Google Account option. Then click on Data and Privacy. Scroll down till you find Enhance Safe Browsing for your account. Turn Enhance Safe Browsing off. After you turn it off, you're good to go. This is how to fix your connection is not private error on Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.